We're currently sitting in the entrance of IdeaSquare in front of what will become the Forge.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Lindsay. I'm an industrial designer out of Melbourne. My role, fun little title here, is the protosmith. And that's why we're calling the space the Forge, because every good blacksmith needs a forge.
Hello, my name is Dina. I've been working here the past 3 years as the prototyping expert of the space.
So we're going to be expanding and combining 3 of the standard IdeaSquare containers into a single space.
Because currently the 3D studio is upstairs, which is slightly disconnected from the rest of the workshops. And we also want to make one big room for teaching.
There's been a few changes since the last time.
All of the cabinetry built, all of our tables installed, our modular peg wall has been installed and painted the final colour.
It's a lot of cleaning, throwing away stuff, reorganizing. It can be quite overwhelming at times, but we're slowly getting through. The guys from SC that has been helping us out has been absolutely incredible. They're magicians when it comes to building things. Yeah.